Okay, so when we look at our atom, one of the first things we're going to look at is here in the center. In our center, if we look around this area, we know that we have two different parts of our atom, and we know that it's holding most of our weight, and this is our nucleus. In our nucleus, we have two different parts of our atom. We have our protons and our neutrons. I see that I have three shaded in parts to in my nucleus and four plain parts in my nucleus. So now I have to figure out which one is my protons and which one is my neutrons. To figure that out, I'm going to look and count how many electrons I have on the outside of my atom. And I see that I have 3 electrons. Since an atom has no charge, I know that my atom has to have 3 protons to balance my 3 electrons. So here, my 3 colored in pieces are my protons. And protons start with the letter P, so I remember they have a positive plus charge. That leaves the second part of my nucleus, which is the 4 neutrons that I have. My 4 neutrons. And neutrons start with N, so we have no charge for my neutrons. Like we talked about when we looked at our number of protons, out here in the outer ring, I see 3 more parts of my atom, and these are my electrons. And my electrons have a negative or minus charge. My electrons do not go inside my nucleus. Instead, my electrons are in the electron cloud. And now I have labeled all of the parts of my atom.